Welcome, kids! Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about adaptation.
Let's begin. A habitat provides the conditions an organism needs. Which ranking best matches this habitat? And the correct answer is letter B. Earthworm survives best. Rabbit survives. Fish cannot. A habitat has trees, shrubs, seeds, and no deep water. How will the three animals most likely survive? And the correct answer is letter C. Squirrel best. Rabbit less. Shark none. Food, water, and shelter are called habitat resources. Which animal can use the flowering plants best? And the correct answer is letter A. Butterfly.
A hawk searches for rabbits on a forest floor covered with brown leaves. Which rabbit is less likely to be seen? And the correct answer is letter A. Brown rabbit in leaves. Why might the white rabbit survive better? And the correct answer is letter C. White fur blends with the snow. 2 desert plants receive very little rain. Which plant is most likely to remain healthy? And the correct answer is letter B. Long, sharp leaves.
Which organism would survive best in the pond? And the correct answer is letter B. Frog. A grassland has plenty of grass, but very little shade. Which animal would survive less well, but could still live there? And the correct answer is letter A, owl. Why were fewer nests successful in the sandy habitat? And the correct answer is letter C. There are few trees for nesting and shelter.
A habitat has no available water. Which organism could not survive there at all? And the correct answer is letter A, fish. What trend does the graph show? And the correct answer is letter B, forest deer gained, rocky deer lost. A fox enters to fields. Where would a rabbit have the best chance of hiding? And the correct answer is letter C, bushes and tall grass.
True or false? The mole would survive best because the soft earth provides places to dig for food and shelter. And the correct answer is letter C, true. A bee needs nectar for food. Where would it survive best? And the correct answer is letter B, flowering meadow. True or false, the forest fully meets the squirrel's needs, partly meets the rabbit's needs, and does not meet the goldfish's needs. And the correct answer is letter A, true.
A dry, rocky habitat has seeds, little water, and small shelters. Which ranking is most reasonable? And the correct answer is letter B, desert mouse bass. Rabbit less, goldfish none. Which organism's needs are best met by this habitat? And the correct answer is letter A, mud skipper, because it uses wet mud and shallow water. A hummingbird needs nectar and safe branches for resting. Where should it live? And the correct answer is letter C, flower garden.
Why would the rocky habitat be better for the lizard? And the correct answer is letter A. It provides warmth and hiding spaces. A beaver needs trees, fresh water, and mud for building. Where would it survive best? And the correct answer is letter C, wooded stream. Why is this habitat suitable for the mountain goat? And the correct answer is letter B. Its hooves help it climb steep ground.
A salamander needs cool, moist shelter. A forest becomes dry after a long drought. What change would help it survive? And the correct answer is letter A, wet log shelter. Which organism would survive less well? And the correct answer is letter C, jellyfish, because it needs water. A coral reef has salt water, algae, and rocky hiding spaces. How would these organisms most likely survive? And the correct answer is letter B, clownfish best, sea turtle less, rabbit none.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.